Wouldn't.
I'm 12 for 12.
I am 9 for 15.
That's all we're going to do on P10, just finding those things from the graphs. The asymptotes is kind of probably the worst. We are now going to move ourselves into P12. For P12, we are going to actually find the equation of the hyperbola from the graph. In standard form. Now, here's standard form. Remember, x minus h over a squared. A squared is always first. But not always the large. This is the one that goes left and right. Y minus k.
The graph shows a hyperbola. No, it does.
Refresh it.
The graph shows a hyperbola. Do I just hit enter or what?
Refresh it.
Oh, you're at 0, so you don't have to worry about it.
Oh boy.
Okay, here's what we got. With the graph, it's kind of easy to figure out which one of the two you got to choose because you already know what it looks like. But when we had clues with the ellipse, the first thing we found, no matter what, was the center. So in this case, the center, 0, 0. And since this is going left to right, the x is first. So it's going to be x squared over something, and y squared over something equals 1. A is the first one. The distance from the center to that point right there is A. So that makes it 64, and he goes first. Then to find B. B is always from the vertex out directly to the asymptotes. That is 3. That makes that 9. And you're done. Now, it might be beneficial for you if you cut and paste it like this. Leave it blank inside and blank on the bottom because the x and the y might switch around. So if you put an x in there and a y in there, you're going to have to screw around with that. So if you leave them blank, that could help you out. Let me find a graph that's not center in the middle. I'll be right with you.
Do you flip the bottoms when the thing is 0 in there?
You do not change the bottoms. A is always.
Oh,
Sure. Let me find one. I'll try to find. I guess I'm not going to find one. Okay, here's one that goes up and down. So let's take a look at this one, and you can see the difference. And the center is not 0, 0 either. If I look at this guy, my center is 0, -5. It goes up and down, so that means the y values are going to be first. So that's going to be y plus 5 squared and x squared equals 1. Make sense? Now, A is always the distance from the center out to the vertex. 1, 2, 3. Or 9, right? Then from the vertex to the asymptotes is B. That's 2, so there's going to be 4. And that's the way that works. 4 now. Okay. Go for the graphs. Once you get to a clues, stop, and we'll go over the clues here shortly as well. I have a feeling I might be pushing it. Yes. Huey and Dewey.